Hi students, today from integration, this is the last class from integration part 6, chapter wise specimen question 12th standard for ISC CBSE West Bengal board. There are 6 questions given here, 4 questions from limit of a sum and 2 questions from area of bounded region, which are important for ISC CBSE West Bengal Board 12 standard. Let us start. Do sum number 35. It is limit of a sum with the help of upper limit lower limit. Here fx equals to 3x square minus 1 fx, and here limit a to b. Here a is 1, b is 2. Here nh equals to b minus a equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Value of nh is 1. Now we know the formula limit a to b fx dx equals to limit h tends to 0 h fa plus fa plus h plus f a plus 2h plus a plus f a plus n minus 1 into h. Here fa equals to fa is 1, f1 put it here, 3 into 1 square minus 1 equals to 3 minus 1 equals to 2. So f1 is 2, f a plus h equals to f1 plus h. Put it here, 3 into 1 plus h a whole square minus 1, that is 3, 1 plus 2h plus h square minus 1, that equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 6h plus 3h square. Then f a plus 2h, f1 plus 2h, put it fx, that is 3 into 1 plus 2h whole square minus 1, that is 3, 1 plus 4h plus 4h square minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 12h plus 12h square, 12h plus 12h square, a plus 2h. Now like this, f a plus n minus 1 into h Saman f1 plus n minus 1 into h equals to 3 into 1, 3 into put it here, 1 plus n minus 1 into h whole square minus 1 equals to 3, 1 plus 2h into n minus 1 plus, here is 3 into 2, that is plus 3 plus n minus 1 whole square h square, that is minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 6h into n minus 1 plus 3h square n minus 1. Now add all this. If we add all this plus this plus this equals to 2, 2, 2, 2. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 dot 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 2. First one plus, here is 6h. 6h is common, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n minus 1, that is 6h, plus 3h square is common, this, that is 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square dot dot dot, it is whole square, n minus 1 n whole square. Now this equals to this equals to 2 to n number of 2, that is 2n. Here limit h tends to 0 h. Taking the formula limit h tends to 0 h, if a value is this, if a plus c all should be added, this is 2n plus 6h. Formula is, this is using special roots, n into n minus 1 by 2 plus 3h square, formula n into n minus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. That is the formula, special roots. Now put it here, equals to 2nh, this into this, plus h square, h into h, that is 6 h square nh minus h. Here limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. 6 nha by h by 2 plus 3 h cube 3h square, h and h cube to 3h cube, that is 3nh into nh minus h, 2nh minus h by 6. You know value of nh is 1. Put it here, equals to 2nh, that is 2 plus 3 cancel, that is 3 into 1, h value 0 plus cancel 2, nh value 1 into 2 by 2. So your answer is, that is 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6. That is the final answer of this integration. Next, sum number 36. Let's do sum number 36. It is also limit of a sum. Sum number 36, question number 36. Just like previous, limit 0 to 1, your fx equals to, put it here, fx equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here 0 to 1, a is 0, b is 1, so n8 is b minus a, that is 1 minus 0, that is 1. Value of n8 is 1, so n8 a value coming 1. Now we know that formula, fa equals to f0, a is 0, put it here, 3 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 1, that equals to coming 1. So fa is 1, f a plus h, that is f0 plus h, 3 into h square plus 2 into h plus 1, that is 1 plus 2h plus 3h square. If a plus 2h, if 0 plus 2h, put it here, 0 plus 2h, if 3 into 2h, that is 4h square, that is 2 into 2h, put it here, plus 1. 4h square, 2 into 2h, 2 into 2h, plus 1. That equals to coming 1 plus 4h plus 12 h square. 1 plus 4h plus 12h square. If a plus 2h a value, then dot 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 if a plus n minus 1 into h, that is f0 plus n minus 1 into h, put it here. 3 into n minus 1 square into h square plus 2 into n minus 1 into h plus 1, that is 1, right, first, that is plus 2 n minus 1 into h, 2h n minus 1, 2h n minus 1 plus 3h square common n minus 1 whole square. Now adding all this, and if a plus h, a plus 2h value is this, that is 1 plus 1 plus dot 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 1, number 1, plus, here is 2h, 4h, this 2h is common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n minus 1, here is 3h square common, 1 plus 4 means 2 square plus 3 square dot 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 n minus 1 a whole square. Now this equals to limit, for using the formula limit h tends to 0 if a plus h, that is h is 1 n number of 1 plus 2h, this is special roots formula, n into n minus 1 by 2 plus 3h square, this is another special root square, that is n into n minus 1 to n minus 1 by 6. Now put nh value is nh, limit h tends to 0 nh plus 2 cancelled, here is h square, so put it nh minus h, multiply this nh minus h plus 3 2s are 6, here h and h cube, here 1, here 1, here 1, that is nh minus h plus 2nh minus h, nh into 2nh minus h by 2. 3 number of h cube, 1 nh, 1 nh, 1 nh, minus h tends to 0. Now nh value is 1 plus h tends to 0, that is 1 plus, here is nh is 1 into 2 by 2, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is answer is 3. Next, sum number 37. Question number 37 is exponential sum. Question number 37. Here, if x equals to e to the power x given and minus 1 to 1, here a is minus 1 and b is 1. So nh equals to b minus a, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So nh value is coming 2. Now let us do f a equals to f minus 1, that is e to the power minus x. Put it here fx. F a plus h. If a is 1 minus 1 plus h, that is e to the power minus 1 plus h. If a plus 2h. F minus 1 plus 2h, that is e to the power minus 1 plus 2h dot 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 dot. If a plus n minus 1 into h equals to f minus 1 plus n minus 1 into h, that is e to the power minus 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Now adding limit of a sum, all this, that is equals to this plus this plus this plus this, that is limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, e to the power f a, e to the power x, x এর value is 1, minus 1. E to the power a is minus 1. E to the power minus 1 is common. 1 plus e to the power h plus e to the power 2h plus dot 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 e to the power n minus 1 into h. That equals to limit h tends to 0, here is h formula, limit h tends to 0, h 1 by e to the minus 1, take it first e to the power 1 by e h. This is the formula GP series. Here you know sum of the r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1, sum of a GP series. Here r এর value, here r is e to the power h. This by this, here common ratio is same, therefore r to the power, r means e to the power n h, r to the power n, e to the power n h minus 1 by r is e to the power h minus 1. Here e to the power, it is nh, r to the power n, r means e to the power h, we can write e to the power h to the power n, r to the power n, that is e to the power nh. That equals to limit 1 by e, limit h to 0, e to the power nh minus 1, e to the power h minus 1, this h come down by h, limit h tends to 0, then value of this is 1, e to the power h minus 1 by h is 1, limit h tends to 0, this is value is 1. So here that is 1 by e, that is 1, e to the power nh value is 2 minus 1. Putting the limit, taking the limit, that is e minus 1 by e is the final answer of the sum. Okay, let's sum number 37 finished. Let's do sum number 38. It is area of bounded region. Sum 38, another sum is there also, 0 to 3. Sum number 38, 0 to 3. Here, question number 38. Another sum is from limit of a sum. Sum number 38 is, question number 38 is, here f x equals to 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Limit a to b. Here a is 0, b is 3, so nh is b minus a, that is 3 minus 0, that is 3. So nh value is coming 3. Same just like previous sum, fa, that is f0, that is 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 5, so the answer is coming 5. F a plus h, that is f0 plus h, put it here, 2 into h square, 3 into h plus 5, put it here, 5 plus 3h plus 2h square. Then f a plus 2h, that is f0 plus 2h, put it here, that is 2 into 4h square, 4h square, 3 into 2h plus 5, so this equals to 5 plus 6h plus 8h square. Like this, f a plus n minus 1 into h equals to limit a equals to 0 plus n minus 1 into h put it here. So 2 into n minus 1 whole square into h square plus 3 into n minus 1 into h plus 5. Now arrange it. 5 plus 3h n minus 1 plus 2h square n minus 2 n minus 1 n square in hand 2h square, and here will be n minus 1 and whole square, n minus 1 and whole square. Now adding all this, if a plus a that equals to, we can write limit h tends to 0 h. This is 5 plus 5 plus dot 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 5 plus, here is 3h is common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n minus 1 plus 2h square common, 1 square, 4 means 2 square plus 3 square, here is dot 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 plus n minus 1 and whole square. Now from special root we can write limit h tends to 0 h, here is n number of 5, that is 5n plus 3, this special root formula, n into n minus 1 by 2 plus 2h square, this is n into n minus 1 to n minus 1 by 6 from special roots. Now take the formula. Here 5nh, limit h tends to 0, 5nh plus h and h square, one with here, one with here, that is 3nh minus h by 2. Here is h and h square, h cube, one here, one here, one here, that is 2 nh minus h, 2 nh minus h by 6. Here nh value is 3, put it here, 5 into 3 plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 2 nh value 3 into 3 into 6 by 6. So here answer is 15 plus 27 by 2 plus 16, 18. That is 33 plus 27 by 2, that is 66 plus, that is 93 by 2 is your final answer. Okay, there are 6 sums from limit of a sum. Another 2 sum is given. Let's start, do sum number 39. Here, area of bounded region, question number 39. Here x square equals to 4x square plus y square, x square plus y square equals to 8x, and another one, y square equals to 4x. So one is a circle and another one is a parabola. You have to find the area of bounded region. So look here, here is x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 16 plus y square equals 0, to 16 coming here. This is x minus 2a whole square plus y square, x minus 4. x minus 4 whole square plus y equals to 4 square. So here radius is 4. Radius is point is 40. Point is 40. Circular yes sir, center is 40. Center is 40. Radius is 4. Now solving this, center is 40 and radius is 4. Now, so integration area of bounded region, draw like this. 0 to 4 area y of this curve minus 0 to 4 y of this curve. So 0 to 4 y1 dx area minus 0 to 4 y2 dx. Here y1 for circle, so this is y equals to root over of 16 minus x minus 4 whole square. Here y. Here y equals to 2 root x. So put it here. 0 to 4 y1 is root over of 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square minus 0 to 4 2 root x dx. You know formula 0 to 4 x square, that is x by 2 x minus 4 by 2 x minus 4 by 2 root over of is 16 minus x minus 4 whole square plus a square by 2, that is 16 by 2 sine inverse x minus 4 by 4. That is the a square minus x square formula, minus 2 x to the power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Integration of this, that is 2 into 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2, 0 to 4. Now take pura whole formula from 0 to 4. This is 0 to 4, 0, this is 0 to 4, all should be 0 to 4. Now take upper limit. To take 4 upper limit, this will be 0 plus this will be 0 sine inverse 0 minus 4 by 3 x to the power 4 to the power 3 by 2 upper limit minus lower limit, this is 0 0 all this, then taking lower limit, this will be 0, this will be